Hi, this is Jeff Naylor from M-Tronics in Mesa, Arizona for Expert Village. So now we've soldered a resistor onto circuit board, and that was fun, but let's say we have a broken component we need to remove. If you have defective parts you need to remove from a circuit board, you will need to remove the solder from the joint. Now there are two basic ways of doing this. You can use a solder wick, which is a braided fiber. The braided fiber uses capillary action to absorb excess solder when heated. Soldering braid is woven copper, and when we heat it up, it's going to absorb all the excess solder using capillary action here. Now we work it into the joint, and you can see the braid gets saturated with solder. We move on down the line, find a fresh piece of braid, and use the same action here. On our next section, we're going to use our solder suction device. To use it, you simply depress the plunger, it locks, then to release it, you press this button on the side and it creates suction for a second. So let's go. I'm going to remove this joint similar to the way I made it, applying heat to both parts and waiting for it to bubble. I get the nozzle right on and pull the trigger. We do not pull the iron away first because we want it as hot as possible when the soldering iron comes in. So now we know the basics of soldering and desoldering on circuit boards, and now we're going to move on to another practical thing, and that's cable repair.